You're about to see something that honestly doesn't make sense at first, because when most people look at a very small RV, they automatically assume one thing: limited space, limited comfort, and definitely limited sleeping options. But this RV completely breaks that assumption. In fact, it challenges the entire idea of what a small RV can actually do. This is a very small RV, yet it somehow fits multiple beds, smart living space, and a design that feels calm, modern, and genuinely nice. This is the Malibu Series I 441KB-LE, and once you understand how it's designed, you'll never look at compact RVs the same way again. From the outside, it looks simple. Clean lines, compact proportions, nothing flashy or oversized. And that's exactly why people underestimate it. It doesn't try to impress you visually. It waits until you step inside. Because the moment you do, the entire experience changes. The layout immediately feels open and intentional. There's no wasted space, no awkward design choices, and no feeling of being boxed in. Every inch has a purpose, and you can feel that this RV was designed by people who actually understand how travelers live on the road. Now here's where things get interesting. Let's talk about sleeping space. In a small RV, this is usually where compromises happen. Thin beds, uncomfortable conversions, or just one sleeping area, but not here. This RV offers multiple beds, carefully integrated into the layout without destroying the living space. And that's the genius of it. During the day, the interior feels open and usable. At night, it transforms smoothly into a comfortable sleeping setup. No chaos, no frustration, just smart design working exactly how it should. This flexibility changes everything. It means this RV isn't just for quick weekend trips. It works for longer journeys, real travel, and real life on the road. Whether you're a couple who wants extra comfort, a small family needing multiple sleeping options, or a traveler who values space efficiency, this RV adapts to you instead of forcing you to adapt to it. The lounge and seating area continues this same story. It feels cozy without ever feeling tight. You can relax here after a long drive, enjoy a meal, work on a laptop, or simply sit and breathe. That sense of comfort is rare in an RV this size, and it's what keeps you inside longer, instead of constantly wanting to step out for air. Then there's the kitchen. Compact, yes, but extremely functional. Everything is placed where your hands naturally reach. Storage is smart. Counter space is used efficiently. Cooking here feels easy, not stressful. And that matters, because on long trips, small daily comforts make a huge difference. The bathroom is another quiet surprise. In many small RVs, bathrooms feel like an afterthought. Here, it feels planned, private, practical. It gives you what you need without making you feel cramped or uncomfortable. Again, it's not about size, it's about design intelligence. What truly makes the Malibu Series I 441KB-LE special is balance. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to live in. You're not constantly thinking about limitations. Instead, you're thinking about destinations, about freedom, about movement. This RV doesn't slow you down. It supports the journey. And that's the real reason this RV works so well. It doesn't try to be something it's not. It focuses on doing small correctly. Smart layouts, multiple beds, comfortable living, clean design, no unnecessary excess, just intelligent choices that add up to a surprisingly premium experience. So if you've ever thought a very small RV couldn't possibly be comfortable, couldn't fit multiple beds, or couldn't feel truly livable, this RV proves otherwise. Because sometimes the most impressive vehicles aren't the biggest ones on the road. They're the ones that make you question how so much fits into something so small. If this kind of smart RV design interests you, make sure to stay connected, because there are many more surprising vehicles like this waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.